Today I'm going to show you how to replace a French door window. This is the first time I've done it, except for I did this one yesterday, so that was my first one. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace this one. It's quite easy, not too bad once you know what you're doing. So here's the tools that we are going to need to use. We have some silicone for sealing up the window for after we get it in. We have an X-Acto knife for cutting out the glazing on the outside of the window. Phillips screwdriver for taking the screws out on the inside of the window. This is the little dental tool that I've got at the drugstore that has a little hook on it. This is good for taking out the little plastic inserts that cover up the screws on the inside, and then we got some more silicone gel here. So here's the window. I've already started to take out all the screws on this frame which surrounds the window. As you can see, most of them are out except for just a couple just holding the window in still. And then down here we have where these screws are kind of covered with a little plastic insert, and you just get that little dental tool in there and pop them out. One more, pop it out, and then we just need to take the screws out, and then the window will pop out after we of course went outside. Taking the X-Acto knife, went outside and cut the glazing all the way around the window, so the window will be ready to pop out as soon as I take everything, take these 3 screws out. And then here's our replacement window right there, ready to go. So let's get to work here and get this job done. There's one screw, second screw. And since I cut out the glazing, there's nothing really holding this window in once I take these screws out. Usually at first the window's kind of sticky because it still has the glazing, but I've already gone through and cut all of the glazing out, so this thing's just going to pop out as soon as I get this last screw out. Okay, so if I go to the outside, okay, the window just pops off, and that's the inside frame there, as you can see. And then down here, on the outside of the window here, you'll have some stuff still hanging on here, so you want to just kind of clean it up a little bit. Pull this off. As you can see, I've got a bunch more stuff down here that I've already taken off the window earlier when I took the window out completely and then kind of put it back in just for demonstration purposes. So, and then here's the frame, the old frame, which you can still use on your new window if you want, or you can use the new frames that came with the window. We'll just set this over here aside, and we'll get to installing the new window here. Okay. Here's our new window with the inside and outside frame. Just pull it apart. Usually there's 2 screws that are holding this when you first get it, when it comes from the shop. So you just have to take those 2 screws off. We'll set this inside ready to go once we get this inserted. And you also want to have, we have these blinds that are built in. You want to make sure those are on the top of the window when you put it in. So we'll go on to the outside here. And we'll get this, actually, probably a good idea to get that into place. just pop that window into place, making sure it doesn't fall out by keeping pressure on it. So if you have 2 people, you could probably do this a lot easier with 2 people. Still manageable with just 1 person. And then we're going to want to put at least 1 screw in here to keep it in place. And ideally what I could do is lean up the old window. I leaned up the old window against it to hold it in place, so I went and got my screwdriver. So then we can start tightening up some of these screws. That's 1. Another one on that side. Let's get one up on top. Okay, now the window's probably in there pretty secure, but we still want to continue to put the screws in to seal up all the gaps. Let's put one in the bottom here. Grab a couple more screws. A few more screws. Go ahead and move this window. A couple more screws and then we have it. And then you just have to put in your little plastic covers. Okay, and then now what we do, we've got these little plastic covers and they just go right back over the tops of where the screw was. Just pop them in like that and you don't see where the screw's at anymore. Here's another one. Just push it in just like that, and it's done. That's basically it. You just windows in. May come back, put a little silicone gel around the outside of the window there just to make sure that it's sealed up nice and tight. And we have new windows installed in just a few minutes. It doesn't take very long, and once you know what you're doing, it's easily done. And that's our new French door windows. Thank you very much and have a great day.